Bakit?
Hindi niya maganda yun.
Kinabahan ako!
We're done!
Oh my God, grabe kayo.
It was the best. It was the best.
Guys!
Grabe kayo kanina, like, yung energy talaga. Wala akong masabi, wait lang. Ayoko maya kasi like, grabe pag, di ba? Sure.
Naiiyak na siya.
Naiiyak
Guys,
na
sobrang
siya.
fierce ni Coach Maki pero naiiyak na siya.
Habang sumasayaw kayo, sobrang, basta, wait lang.
You got this. You can
Okay.
cry.
It's okay. This is a safe
Sobrang proud
space.
na.
No, alam ko na
Sa inyo,
kasi,
sa'yo, grabe, big improvement.
guys, kung pinaghirapan namin to, talagang doble din yung hirap ni Coach Maki
Wait.
to like do this for us and to yung alam mo yun, yung in-assess niya yung skill level ko tapos pinilit niyang with the help of my kaduo.
Grabe,
Of course.
Grabe guys, grabe itong dalawang to. Pero wait lang, bago tumuluha ko, kamusta yung performance ko kanina?
Ako,
Ano feel mo?
I love it. I feel like we were both present on the stage. Talagang feel namin yung emotions and everything. Lahat ng kailangan gawin, nagawa namin. We were connected, we were cheering for each other, even inside the stage. So, just really happy to, tapos na yung run ng ganun kaganda. So,
Ako naman kasi lagi akong lagi akong pinapangunahan ng kaba ko. Lagi parang me against my own mind.
And
Ganon.
lagi siyang, parang siya nagda-doubt lagi sa self niya.
totoo yan.
Kaya lagi ko nakakalimutan ngumiti kasi parang focus. Okay. Pero kanina ko unang na-feel na parang ang saya-saya ko.
Totoo.
Parang ngiti talaga ako kasi ang saya-saya ko doon sa ginagawa ko. Ayun talaga. Oh, Maki!
Iyakin talaga ako. Okay, wait lang.
Wow, first time
At
ko
magbabalik, magpakailanman.
Hindi, iyakin talaga ako, promise. Hindi, ayun. Actually, yung highlight nila, actually marami akong highlight na ginawa sa kanila. And lahat ng yun, nagawa naman nila ng maganda. At ang pinakamahalaga kasi talaga sa akin is yung wala silang palya. Like, wala silang mali. Alam mo yun, yung from the top, from the start hanggang matapos yung song. Yun yung pinagdadasal ko kanina while nakaupo ako dun sa audience. Like, sabi ko talaga na, Lord, please. Gabayin silang dalawa. So, yun. And, napatunayan naman nila yun. So, thank you guys.
People will say na, oh my God, galing ni JM, pero hindi lang ako to. I did this with my duo. She's such a hard worker. With a span of ilang rehearsals, she was able to pull everything off. So I'm just really proud of everything that we showed on that stage. And you heard the judges, like, you have so much to offer. And I really can't wait to dance with you more.
Same mo.
This is just one of the first.
Ayaw tapusin. Ayaw nilang matapos.
Yes, she has it.
Theater, dance.
She has everything.